Welcome, health enthusiasts, to the Flavour Fit YouTube channel, where taste meets wellness. Today, we embark on a sweet journey, one where sugar is not the enemy. Imagine being a health-conscious individual on a quest for the perfect cake. Traditional cake options, laden with fats and sugars, pose a challenge. Yet, the determination to find a healthier alternative remains unshaken. The pursuit is not just about finding a cake that is low on calories, but one that aligns with their health goals without compromising on taste. And so our protagonist stands at the crossroads of indulgence and health, seeking a cake that can satisfy both worlds. In the realm of cakes, not all ingredients are created equal. The secret to a healthier cake lies in the heart of its components. The flour, sweeteners, and fats, these are the essence of a cake. And by tweaking these elements, we can transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. Consider the flour, the backbone of any cake. Whole grain flours, rich in fiber and nutrients, are a healthier alternative to the white, refined variety. They add depth to the texture and a subtle nuttiness to the flavor, making the cake not just healthier, but tastier too. Now let's turn our attention to sweeteners. Natural sweeteners like honey or pure maple syrup can replace refined sugar. They not only add a unique flavor profile but also possess beneficial nutrients and antioxidants. And when it comes to fats, options like olive oil or avocado are not just healthier, they also add a moistness and richness that's hard to beat. So, the next time you're whipping up a cake, remember, you hold the power to make it a healthier treat. By choosing wisely, our hero discovers that a cake can be both delicious and nutritious. Emerging from the kitchen, our champion holds a creation that defies the norms. A cake that's genuinely healthy. Picture this, a cake that is not only mouth-wateringly delicious, but also packed with nutrients. A cake that doesn't make you feel guilty with each bite, but instead fills you with the satisfaction of making a health-conscious choice. This isn't a compromise, this is a revolution in the world of desserts. The champion has discovered a cake that breaks the stereotype of unhealthy desserts. This cake, made with thoughtfully selected ingredients, is low in calories and high in nutritional value. It's a dessert that doesn't just taste good but also does good for your body. This revelation changes everything. Desserts are no longer the forbidden fruit of a balanced diet but a delightful inclusion. This healthy cake is not just a treat but a testament to the idea that health and taste can coexist, that they are not mutually exclusive. And so, the myth of the unhealthy cake is finally debunked, proving that with the right ingredients, a cake can be a part of a balanced diet. Now you too can embark on this journey of culinary discovery. Imagine a world where every bite is a celebration of taste, yet a toast to health. The Flavour Fit community welcomes you with open arms. Together we'll explore the culinary landscape, unearthing the secrets of healthy and delicious recipes. We're more than just a channel, we're a movement, a revolution in the way we perceive food. So let's take this step together towards a life filled with flavor and fitness. Subscribe for more content and become a part of the Flavour Fit revolution. Together we'll redefine the boundaries of taste and health.